Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So today's I'm gonna give you a slow zoom tutorial on CapCut. So here I already prepare three clips to my CapCut, and then the next thing that you need to do is go to effect, and here video effects, basic, and then find the slow zoom effect. Okay, find the slow zoom. Okay, so there is a slow zoom. Just click on the effects and click on adjust. Set the speed to 5. Oops, 5. And also the range into 15. Like this, and then click on a check icon, and after that apply it to all of your video. Oops, copy it and apply it to all of your video. So it'll go like this. So here is the final result. So basically you can adjust the range and also the speeds, that's up to you, but I prefer to go like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.